channel, you guys. This will be a sponsored video featuring Youth Beauty Hair. They did send me their transparent 22-inch straight unit. And this unit is currently jet black. It's no longer in its natural state. This unit did come to me in like a brownish blackish color. You guys know when you first get your unit, it's like a, unless they do dye the unit for you, because some companies do that, it's gonna come like brownish. So I did dye this jet black. And before we get into this video, you guys, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit your post notification bell so you don't miss an update every time I upload a video. Let's go ahead and jump right into this video. We're gonna go ahead and just get right into this video. So you guys, this is crazy because the option that they gave me for this unit, I chose between either a headband unit or a straight unit, which I'm over headband units. I'm over it right now, and I have a couple to do, but I'm just over it. So I chose this unit. I chose the straight unit, and it was only a 22-inch, but I'm like, a 22-inch is kind of short, so we will see. But looking at this, y'all, look at this. For this to be a 22-inch, I think that it's a pretty decent length. Like, I don't know if it's because I'm shorter, I'm 5'2", but this unit doesn't seem like it's a 22-inch. It seems more so maybe like a 24-inch or maybe a little longer. I don't know, maybe that's just me. You guys let me know in the comments below. I do get comments where some people are like, oh, it doesn't look like this inch, it doesn't look like that inch. In this instance, this is what I was talking about. I told I'm not sure if she's a subscriber or not, because you know some people comment and they may or may not be a subscriber, but I do want to let you guys know that some companies with their lengths, it's like sometimes you may get a length that says 24 inches and you get it and it doesn't look like 24 inches. It'll look like a 22-inch or a 20-inch. And then some companies, they'll say they're sending you a 24-inch and it looks like a 26-inch or a 28-inch. So it all depends on the company, you guys. Like, it's not really something you can, I don't know, I don't think you could really control. It all depends on where you're getting your hair from. In this instance, I feel like this unit is definitely longer than 22 inches, which is really good because I really like this unit. This unit is definitely giving me a yucky texture feel for sure, you guys. It's a little, I wouldn't even say it's silky. It's actually not silky at all. It's definitely just a yucky texture. Like, there is no shine, which is not bad at all. It still looks very natural. And as you guys can see, my hands are going straight through this unit. As far as this lace goes, you guys, as I stated before in the beginning, this is a transparent unit. So technically with transparent units, they're supposed to blend really well. This unit does blend really well. I think what I'm going to do is end up bleaching the knots, or have someone bleach the knots for me, because yeah, I just would feel better with the knots bleached. But you don't have to bleach the knots if you don't want to. Again, this is a transparent unit and it does blend really well onto your scalp. And I also did put some powder on there as well, just to make it blend just a little more, just for my liking. This unit does also come pre-plucked, you guys. So for my ladies that are beginners, if you're trying to part this unit, trying to figure out if you want it to be, you know, a side part, if you want it to be a middle part, it's already pre-plucked for you. So all you got to do is just basically style it how you want to. I did pluck it just a little more, just to make it look a little more natural. But as I stated before, for my ladies who are beginners, you don't have to pluck this unit if you don't want to. This unit is also at 150% density. So for this to be 150% density, I do feel like this is nice and full. It's not too thin and it's not, you know, too full. It's just right. This is like just perfect. I can wear this hair through any type of season. I know I won't be too hot. This is like the season we're in May now, so I think it'll be perfectly fine, because again, this unit, it doesn't give me like I'm gonna sweat or anything like that. So I think you can wear this unit through any type of season. So see, I did lay some baby hairs down just on the sides. I may end up doing my swoop in the front like I normally do, but for this unit, I just wanted to go ahead and just do some swoops on the side just to make it simple. Again, this is a 13×6, so you may have to do, it depends on where you style your hair. It may require more baby hairs, because the more lace, the more baby hairs you have to, you know, you just have to make sure that lace is laid down good and the baby hairs is laid down good. So the more lace you have, I feel like the more baby hairs you kind of got to worry about. You don't have to put a lot of baby hairs, but you just got to make sure they're on point. Now you guys, this unit did come a little frizzy, but the new flat iron that I do have, which I'm going to go ahead and talk to you guys about, because I really love this new flat iron I just got, it definitely brought down the frizzes in the hair. And then another thing about the hair is that it is bulky. So this unit will definitely come super bulky, but just make sure you have a hot comb handy so that you can lay just lay your hair down really good. I do think that I could have laid it down just a little more, but I think it's perfectly fine the way it is. With this unit, you guys, it also does come with lace in the back. So if you're one of those girls who likes their hair, you know, pulled up into a ponytail, you can definitely do that as well. And also, there was no tangling nor any shedding with this unit. I flat ironed this hair perfectly well, no shedding. Washed it perfectly well, no shedding. This unit is just, it's no tangling either. So this unit is just, it's perfect. It's so soft too, you guys. It's really soft. Now I want to show you guys this flat iron that I did purchase, and I used this for the first time today on my hair, because you know, I did buy a flat iron like maybe a month ago, and you know, just to see, you know, because I threw in my other one and I just wanted to see if it was a good flat iron, but I don't know, I just didn't really care for it. So now I bought this new flat iron and it says Vanessa on it. And I'm guessing that's the name of the flat iron. So I got this off of Amazon.com. So you guys, this flat iron doesn't have any type of heat damage. It's titanium in the middle, as you guys can see. That titanium. Again, no heat damage. Gets rid of the frizz. So this flat iron definitely got rid of a lot of the frizzes that were in this hair. So normally I would spray it with my Got To Be Glue to get my frizzes down, but this flat iron definitely helped. And you guys, also, as soon, like no lie, as soon as I flat ironed my hair with this flat iron, it got instantly flat. Instantly. So I would definitely check out this flat iron, you guys. I'm gonna make sure I put this information in the description box below. And just to let you guys know, it will be through my affiliate link. Just to let you guys know, I do get a small percentage when you do click on the product and purchase the product. When you click on it and then you purchase it, I do get a small percentage. Not too much, but just letting you guys know, I do have an affiliate through Amazon. So I'll definitely have this in the description box below, so you guys can definitely get this flat iron. Like, no lie, this flat iron, and it's just so like, it's really light and it's skinny. Look how skinny this is. This is a perfect flat iron. This is one of the flat irons that I wanted to have because it's not super duper thick. And then you guys, one more thing, I also will be doing a follow-up on this because I haven't curled with this flat iron. I definitely love the curve on this, so I can't wait to curl it just so I can show you guys how it did with the curl. So I will be doing a follow-up on this flat iron. Now you guys can purchase this unit off of youthbeauty.com. I'll make sure I have everything in the description box below for you guys. Now this unit is $300. Do I think it's worth $300? Maybe not so much. I do think they maybe can bump it down to maybe $275, $265. Maybe one of those, but I definitely think that this hair is definitely worth the worth buying. Most definitely. You don't get any issues out of this hair. Besides, I just feel like it is bulky, which you can make sure it's not bulky anymore once you use your hot comb. And then slightly there's frizzes, but that's pretty much, you know, pretty much it. And before I wrap up this video, you guys, I also want to let you guys know that I also did just purchase a P.O box. So I will have this information down below, and I'll have it in my description box. If there's anyone that wants to send me products, I will be incorporating that in my videos as well. I'm really happy that I got this P.O box, so that, you know, I can start getting stuff sent to my mailbox instead of getting stuff sent like straight to my house. Sometimes I don't mind, you know, having stuff sent to my house, but you know, it's just more legit for me now, and I have a P.O box, so I'm very excited about it, you guys. Please let me know if you would like to send anything, or just go ahead and send it to my P.O box. Just make sure you have all of your information so that I can go ahead and put it in my video, and then also tag you and all that good stuff. This will be the end of this video, you guys. Again, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and make sure you hit your post notification bell so you don't miss an update. Make sure you like this video, comment below, share, and I will see you guys in my next one.